Thanks, Heather. Good morning, everybody. My name is Doug Parr. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer at Priarie Cloudware. I'll be doing the vocals this morning, and accompanying me on the keyboards, Mike Hammer Carter, our Chief Marketing Officer. Priarie Cloudware is arming the banks and credit unions in the battle for control of digital payments, enabling them to protect their fee income from debit and credit cards while enhancing the convenience of the customer experience and the transaction security by using tokenization. Today, we're introducing the Digital Payments Guardian, or DPG for short. DPG provides financial institutions with the ability to leverage their trust-based relationship to drive adoption and to provide new value-added services in the digital payment channels. The Digital Payment Guardian can be deployed as an additional service through a bank or credit union's online banking portal, as you see here. First Cloud Bank is promoting their DPG-powered digital payment service as SecurePay. The customer logs in using their First Cloud digital banking credentials and accesses the digital payment services. We provide her institution via SecurePay navigation option. Once inside her institution's digital payment offering, Amy finds a set of payment options pre-populated by her bank. And as you would expect, the bank has chosen to pre-populate Amy's DPG with their debit and credit cards that they issue, ensuring that they have top-of-wallet status. DPG is also designed to enable consumers to add any payment instrument from any financial institution, merchant, or organization, whether it be a debit card, a credit card, a retail-issued card, or a gift card, making it a true virtual wallet. And all payment instruments will be tokenized for security when possible. For example, here you see Amy adding an American Express card to her payment services. At Priarie Cloudware, we also believe that digital payments cannot limit the device type the customer wants to use and cannot be just about making a payment in the store at the point of sale using a mobile phone. If you look at the top right of the screen, you see that Amy has already connected her Android phone to the service offered. This involved her receiving an SMS message containing an activation code and then validating her identity with date of birth, current address, etc., all things within her bank's secure environment. This time, Amy wants to add her PC to her list of devices that she can use to access her digital vault. She selects the Add button and receives an activation code that she can use to authenticate the PC, just as she did her smartphone. Now her PC is ready for her use in online shopping. She also wants to give her PC a name in case in the future she decides to allow her children, or yes, even her husband, to also link devices to her digital payment sources. Providing consumers centralized access to and storage of digital payment options not only enhances identification and verification, but also delivers a new level of convenience to the consumer, who only must enter his or her personal information once rather than multiple times across multiple wallets. In addition, should a payment source become compromised, the consumer can deactivate its use, even down to the device level, or remove it entirely. Now let's shift the scene to show you what happens when Amy decides to use one of her tokenized digital payment options in store at the point of sale. When she opens the First Cloud branded wallet, it's ready to make a payment, which is its primary function, presenting Amy with the default card that she had selected earlier. From there, she could just tap and pay and be on her way. But let's assume in this case, Amy is not quite ready to pay, and instead, she decides to review and possibly change her payment option. The main wallet view mirrors the settings she set up previously, and here she can also add and delete payment sources just as she could before in the online channel. By controlling the digital payment services offered to the customer, the financial institution is also able to directly provide value-added information during the purchase process, such as balance information, recent transactions, alerts, coupons, and offers. Once she's ready to pay, Amy simply follows the on-screen directions and completes the tap and pay transaction. It's easy, secure, and controlled directly by Amy's bank. Finally, we want to show you how the Digital Payment Guardian allows First Cloud Bank to offer Amy a safer, simpler way to shop online by enabling the tokenized digital payments that Amy has already set up for use on merchant websites. Amy's a big foodie. She likes Crate and Barrel, and she needs some stainless steel cookware. So she finds the set she wants, puts it in the shopping cart, and goes to checkout. She then activates her First Cloud secure browser extension and logs in, deciding to use her credit card since she's shopping online, and the information required automatically pre-populates into the form. From there, she makes her shipping selections, proceeds to the payment page, confirms the card that she selected earlier, reviews the information, and confirms the purchase. For Amy, it's simple, and all of the payments are secured with tokenization. It's also good for her bank, since with the Digital Payment Guardian, First Cloud Bank can actually go shopping with Amy and supply value-added information, offers, and coupons on behalf of a merchant. Richard Crone from Crone Consulting estimates these value-added offers could net financial institutions up to $600 per account annually. The Digital Payments Guardian gives the consumer convenience, choice, and security from the organizations they trust the most to provide digital payments, their banks and credit unions. We appreciate your time and attention today and look forward to having you visit with Mike Hammer and I at our booth during this afternoon's break. Thank you very much.